Hey friends, Kat right here. So I'm so excited for this video because truthfully, I should have taken these landscaping lights down a week ago before the snow came because it came early. But I personally like to take down my landscaping lights because the snow and the cold weather will destroy them. So stick around. So I have 2 buckets here, Home Depot buckets indeed, and a hand shovel. We're gonna go and just slightly pop those little landscaping lights out of the wet dirt and put them away for spring. So one thing you gotta be very careful about is when you're trying to get that light up, you get that shovel in deep enough and you pop it out so you get the light and the stake. Because if you don't get the stake out, you might just lose it. I mean, I've definitely done that before, but if you get it deep enough, then you will get the whole light out. You will get the whole light out and the stake out. Okay, well, I missed that stake, but let's do this some more. Got 3 more left to go. Okay, I got a couple over here in my flower bed. There's leaves all over the place because that snow came a little bit early and we hadn't even had all the time to pick up all the leaves, and a lot of the trees still have their leaves. In my front flower bed, I have 2 different kinds of landscaping lights. I got these really cool ones, and I also have these ones that angle up real cool on trees. So yes, I don't suggest using those ones quite as much, but I definitely use them on trees. So I've changed my mind. I'm leaving all of these lights inside of our flower bed because they're real close to the house. It does add a pretty color. If the snow starts getting thicker and it's kind of pointless to have them in, I'll definitely take them out. I have some lights close to our wood trellis that we built up, and then I have some lights up here at the top of the stairs, and there's also some lights down there close to on your way to the fire pit. Okay, well, I have 2 more. Truthfully, this does not take a lot of time, but definitely would have been easier and nicer if I had done it when there wasn't snow out here. Okay, well, let's take this bucket up into the garage and we'll find another bucket for the pergola lights. Okay, friends, well, I have some very pretty lights along the pergola right there. They're really great at night when Shadow's going to take care of the chickens. I guess I'm just really not wanting to take them down, but I'm gonna do it because I know that the snow and the ice is very hard on them. Well, I absolutely love my landscaping lights. I'm taking most of them down because I don't want winter to be hard on them. I am leaving some up in the front just to keep it pretty and to keep those lights there. But now that I'm all done with my work, I think I'm gonna go have some fun with Josh and Shiloh. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.